the Buckeyes are gone, but the motors are in plentiful supply, and they're on the back of this 7,000-pound Hulk.
Look at it, starting to roll. This is the ultimate LA community. That guy behind you that always wants to tell people, watch this. Yeah, no problem. You can just light your afterburners off and take care of it. Check this thing out on the right-hand side of the field. Chris Darnell. And this is just in your blood. So Chris started driving some of the smaller jet trucks at an early age, and as you said, when Papa Neil handed him the keys, what did he tell him?
He said, drive fast!
That's all he said.
I wish my dad had said that to me.
Well, Chris actually has a bachelor's degree in marketing and advertising there from Missouri State, and he's doing a great job at it today. Plus, check him out at facebook.com/Shockwave, the jet truck. Now look at this. Now, Chris is starting to get a little harassment there from the window.
We're talking Guinness Book of World Records certified speed record on this jet truck, 376 miles per hour. So we're going to have a race, but it's going to be handicapped.
A little bit, because this is shorter run. They ran a lot of assault. But if you talked to Chris last night, he was saying that he thinks he's going to just walk off and beat John Culver at 56.
We'll see.
And John Culver didn't feel that way.
No, John says I can do it. Now let me ask those of you who were here this morning, here's how the race is going to work. John Culver is going to have a diving start.
That's right. We're going to give him every advantage possible.
John Culver and a standing start by the Shockwave jet truck. Chris Darnell will have only a matter of seconds to accelerate to over.
What is race on? Rob, count us down with the radar.
All right, radar says 150, 175, 2, 225, 3, 310, 310, 330. Wow! Oh my gosh! He got to 344.7 miles an hour.
44.7 miles an hour.
Oh my goodness!
Wow!
And boy, the overtake was significant on today's race. That was clearly.
needs of the military community for over 90 years. USAA, we know what it means to serve. Let us serve you. Navy Federal Credit Union, thanks to them as well, and First Command Financial Planning Incorporated, Prevalence Incorporated, WebTex, Paleo and Holiday, Metro PCS, the Virginia Pilot, WAVY-TV, Fox, Valpac of Southern Virginia, Channel 13, WEEC, Max Media of Hampton Roads, Tidewater Communications, Flagship Military Newspaper, Entracom Communications, all great sponsors of the show. Now listen carefully, because right now we've got some major act noise going to start to the right. If you will, take a look at that big semi-tractor. It's known as Shockwave. There are 3 motors on the Shockwave truck. They're not Cummins, they're not Cat, they're not GM Diesel. They are in fact 3 J-34 jet engines used on the Navy jet trainer of the 1950s, 60s, and 70s called the T-2 Buckeye. At the controls, sitting in the left seat in the cab, the young man who was by the name of Chris Darnell. He comes from a family that's been in motorsports for some time. His dad, Neil Darnell, and his mom, Marilyn Darnell, bought the Shockwave jet truck a couple of years ago. After more than 25 years in the motorsports industry, they now have the world's fastest jet-powered truck. It set a world speed record, certified by the Guinness Book of World Records at 376 miles per hour. And watch now as all 3 engines are now coming to life, generating huge amounts of horsepower, huge amounts of thrust, and we'll see it over. Why? That's over 300 miles today here on the runway. It sounds like a train whistle out here, but let's take a look. As I present to you the world's biggest big lighter, it's Shockwave. Horsepower from the 3-bracket Whitney J31. It weighs 7,000 pounds. I invite you, Oceana, to feel it. truck. They've got their videos and photos there as well. He's going to go out on the runway and give us a big, big run down the runway. And I think we're going to get Virginia State Police out here with their speed gun and see just how fast he goes. Because the weight is 7,000 pounds, and the 3 jet engines create more than 10,000 pounds of thrust. If they put wings on this, it could accelerate going straight up. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we're going to have a big high-speed run. He's on the roll. There's 100, 110, 150, 175, 225. It's getting faster. 325, 330, 336, 336 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen. How about that for the Shockwave jet truck? Look at those drag chutes that slow him down.